So we start off today's video with this haircut refresh transformation. Ooh, stylist kind of did like a mohawk pixie style here. This is so cute. I love the edginess behind this particular look, the color, the cut. Everything about it is just so beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature some more inspiring hair transformations. So if you've been thinking of shaking things up with a brand new hairstyle, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. She does have some gray hair going there at the root. The stylist does some color. Wow. Oh my goodness, she looks like a completely different person. Not only did she cut her hair, but she also colored it. Wow. Beautiful beige blonde pixie style. I am in love with this hair change. She looks absolutely remarkable. By far one of the best transformations I think I managed to find this year. Next up, we have someone else rocking out a longer pixie style. Now she does have a hint of purple going here in the bangs. This is another play on that color blocking trend that we've been seeing floating around. And she also has longer sideburns, which is yet another huge trend that we are seeing in 2023, moving into 2024. Next up, we see someone who is thinking of cutting their hair into a pixie. I feel like the emotions that she's capturing is exactly what women go through when they're thinking of cutting their hair. They're like, do I want to do it? Oh, she looks amazing. Wow, so beautiful. I wish we would have actually got a little bit of a longer look at that, but wow, what a change. And then we have a color transformation. some blue going here. Oh, this is so pretty. So this is another take on that color blocking trend. She got this beautiful blonde and then a few pops of blue. Very pretty. You could also do this with some clip-in extensions if you didn't want to actually dye your own hair a different color, but I think this is a really cool idea. So next up we have someone at the salon. Now initially it does look like she has a bit of a mullet going here, which is a huge trend that we're seeing right now. Oh, it looks like she might be doing a buzz cut here. Did not see that coming. I thought maybe she was gonna get like a touch-up. Get like a retrim of her mullet style. But yeah, she's definitely doing a short buzz cut. Ooh, and she went brighter with this blonde. She kept the sideburns long, which is really interesting take with a buzz cut. But very cool hairstyle idea. I love it. I'm all for the major transformations, the dramatic ones. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.